What is up, everyone? My name is Gary, and I am an author. That's one of the first times I said it with confidence. Today, I want to continue to talk to you about why your stories matter. And we're going to do that through thinking about flash drafts.
Scientist Barry Allen becomes the Flash.
If you haven't seen the video for flash drafts or generating ideas, feel free to go back and check that out. They are very, very valuable and can be very helpful when you're trying to create stories. Today, let's go back a little bit. Last week, we talked about how we generate ideas through flash drafts with people, thinking about people. This week, we're going to talk about doing it through places. Taking places that we've traveled to, places that we visit, and create flash drafts out of them that can hopefully turn into stories that we want to write about, okay? So I'm not going to spend too much time talking about what a flash draft is. Hopefully you watched the video from last week. If you didn't, I suggest going to look at it. If not, we can still watch. Let's see. So I'm going to go back just to show you some of the places that we talked about. So we did talk about Nova Scotia was home for me. Tim Hortons is kind of like a coffee donut restaurant. Singapore, used to live there. Manila, currently living there. The bathroom, which is, again, a very great place to start a story. Lots of interesting things happen there. So you could write about being in the bathroom or something. And I could talk about school or the park. And I want to remind you that we are talking about narrative writing. So these stories should be quite true, okay? You can use sentence starters to help you. We also talked about that in the video, maybe a couple weeks ago. Today, I want to use I couldn't believe. All right, so I have flash draft 1, flash draft 2. This is going to be flash draft 3. And oftentimes I want to do more than one flash draft because I'm not sure what's going to come out of any of these ideas, right? So if I just do one, I'm kind of not like helping myself at all. I'm just kind of laying all my eggs in one basket. That's what people say. And I already selected my topic, so I'll go back again just to show you some of my topics here. I want to write about Singapore because I remember something in my head right away that is really funny that happened when I was in Singapore. So I'm going to set my timer for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Hopefully you are writing along with me. Okay, pick a topic. If you haven't done the ideas generating, just pick anything you can think of, a place that you've traveled. It doesn't have to be necessarily like a country or a province. It could be like a bedroom. It could be a specific area. And then we're gonna write really fast about it for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Okay, are we ready? Set timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute and 30 seconds, counting down.
All right, ready? Go. Remember writing about true stories. Singapore has amazing chili crab, by the way. Hands up. I really want to tell you the end of that story, but I can't. Again, you can always go back and you can add to this if you want to. If not, it's okay. It's just a flash draft. All right? Until next time, peace.